So today I'm in Hoi An, Vietnam, and I'm going on a Vietnamese cooking class, and I'm going to take you with me. I'm with Long, who's a local cooking class teacher, and he's brought us to a local market where we're going to get ingredients to cook with later. So we're just getting some fresh shrimp.
Vietnamese crab here. Vietnamese crab is here. They call it the female.
The big one is the female,
yeah,
and then the small one is male. Okay. We're just choosing out some big shrimp right now.
Shrimp, Actually, the big one, the first one for you.
Look at all of this fresh fruit. I love rambutan. Look at these mangoes, avocados. Wow.
You peer the same
the same way?
Like
okay.
You peer. You know?
Passion fruit.
Yeah, passion fruit. Yeah. Today,
I've never seen. This is a type of mushroom.
Mushroom.
Oh, I've never seen. I told Long that I really like quail eggs, and he decided to get some, and he's gonna make some for me as well. So. Long is taking us to the cooking class, but to get there we have to go on these coconut boats, and I'll show you what they look like. These boats are all made from bamboo. How beautiful.
1, 2, 3. Wow!
What is going on? This is crazy. I think I quite suit the hat. What do you think? It was the coolest little experience ever. If you're in Hoi An, I highly recommend you go on one of these coconut boats. They were so fun. Now I am going to go over there to start the cooking class. Long's sister-in-law is the one that's going to be teaching all of us how to cook. So she's just made us a passion fruit juice. I also got a few things at the market to take back home to Liverpool. So let me show you what I bought. I bought this chin su sauce, which is something that I've seen everywhere here. They put it on their pho. It's like chili sauce, but with like garlic and tomato. It's really nice. And then I bought these rice papers that you can eat raw. And then I bought this rice paper, which is the one that you cook. I don't know if you can see, but they're like, it's different. This is the one that you deep fry. And then I also bought this fish sauce because Long said this was a good one. This is the little setup for the cooking class. This is my little area. Bit of salt. Bit of sugar. This is mushroom powder. Just mix it together. So this is a rice paper that they use to deep fry. This is my spring roll.
Around, you see whipping.
These are Hoi An spring rolls. The rice paper is a little bit different, if you can see. I'm gonna eat them now. Now we're making bun stew. Bun stew?
Bánh xèo.
Okay, the Vietnamese pancakes. Put some vegetables on there. I'm gonna do some mint. These like crispy Vietnamese pancakes. And you roll it in the rice paper. Like so. Looks like this. And then you dip in the fish sauce. Now we're making a salad. guys, this is the last thing we made and I'm gonna go eat this now. Remember when I said I told Long that I like quail eggs and he was gonna cook some for us? Look, he literally made them for us. I'm so excited to eat them. And these are the clams and shrimp that we got. And this is the noodles and the salad. That's all the food. Let's eat. This is the quail egg. Oh. Long also grilled the shrimp that we got at the market. This is a water coconut. You can eat that little middle part. Look, they even have like a leather goods shops as well, so you can get like leather jackets and shoes and stuff made. I'm just choosing. This is what it looks like in the first fitting. I really like them. Hoi An is literally like a photographer's dream. This place is absolutely beautiful. Look, so pretty. I'm gonna try and find a little boat to go on a little boat ride on.